world, others were painting. Instead, she is drawing a flipbook, DP art drawing. The nickname mobile printer. She spent 481 hours, using 833 sheets of paper to draw the Lisa flipbook. The effect is really amazing. This is just her initial test. She went on to spend another 737 hours. 1,434 sheets were used. Draw the scene of the final confrontation between Iron Man and Thanos in the Avengers. This time, the effect is too shocking. If you are not satisfied with the above, then her next action will definitely leave you dumbfounded. To challenge yourself, she can draw with a pencil tip held by chopsticks. She can also draw on already finished paper after overwriting and revising multiple times to paint another painting. It was later upgraded. This time she used compass to draw many drawings on one sheet of paper. She can even paint with two minds. Draw different people with left and right hands at the same time. It's not enough. She used two hands draw square and circle at the same time. Two different people are drawn at the same time. But she thinks it's easy. So this time, the two pens were taped to a wooden stick. Then you look carefully at her drawing. Even one hand draws Ronaldo and Messi at the same time. Do you think she is awesome?
Alcohol markers in the mail from a company called Art Beak. I've never used alcohol markers before, so I wanted to share my process with you guys and document my first attempt. In part 1, I did my sketching and my outlining, so today we're diving in with the markers to see what they're all about. First thing I noticed is that they apply really smoothly. Since they're alcohol-based, they actually blend really well. I was expecting to have to go in with my colored pencils to smooth out all of my blends, but these markers are actually more efficient than I expected. I was able to switch back and forth between light tones and dark tones and blend them together while they were still wet. I'm really happy with the texture that I was able to accomplish on the dirt road with these markers. In a way, these remind me of watercolor paints. I was actually nervous to try these out because I've never worked with this type of marker before, but I actually love this process. My intention with this drawing was to create a surrealistic scene to represent the journey of chasing after a dream that seems out of reach. I love surrealism because I also love poetry, and I think surrealism is almost like poetry for the eyes. When I create surreal art, I like every little detail to have its own meaning. For instance, I chose a barren desert for this scene. This could represent a multitude of things: loneliness, exhaustion, difficulty, desire. Then you have cactuses, which hold water just beyond the risk of being injured. I also added a pile of cleverly stacked desert rocks off to the right of the road. This represents the struggle to find a balance while trying to pursue your dream and live your life at the same time. There's a cinder block in the foreground as well. I use cinder blocks all throughout my work to represent the things in life that hinder us. A reminder of all of the toxic things that we have to let go, and all of the challenges that we must overcome to become the best version of ourselves. We all have heavy stuff that we carry around with us that's weighing us down. I also added a skull and a pile of bones. This is symbolic of everybody who dies before they're able to accomplish their dreams. It breaks my heart knowing that a lot of people never see their dreams come true. That leads me to my favorite part of this piece, this old abandoned sign on the side of the road. A true sign of encouragement, represent all of the people and all of the things in life that are trying to guide us to our dreams. People that believe in us, even if they know that going after your dreams is going to be a windy road and it's going to have a lot of ups and downs, they're still there to keep you going, constantly reminding you not to abandon hope and that you're moving in the right direction as long as you believe in what you're doing. I send you blessings for
layers of rectangles. These will be the buildings that we will be making. I like what I see. Do you like it? Good. Our next step is to make these buildings just pop off the page. Let's give these buildings dimensions first. Then we will create the line pattern. I have to pencil mine in first, just in case I make a mistake. Oh, I knew this was going to happen. I'm so glad I didn't use a permanent marker. What is wrong with me? Oh, I know what it is. All I need is a little sip of coffee. What's that? Delicioso. Oh, and my cup is so cute too. I love giraffes, and also I love coffee with my cream. Well, let's get back to these buildings. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what you created. Now it's time to draw the line pattern in our buildings. You can go in any direction you want and draw however thick of lines you want to draw on your buildings. To make your building stand out, you'll have to outline it in a black Sharpie. And that black Sharpie magic will have your buildings popping. Have fun and enjoy the process. And don't worry about mistakes. Those imperfections will make your picture perfect. Buildings to this picture to make it complete. And of course, I